For a cell, this is the copper anode and this is silver cathode. Concentration of copper ions in solution is 0.001 mole per liter. Silver ion is 0.01 mole per liter. Cell potential is given as 0.43 volt. The magnitude of standard electrode potential for copper is dash into 10 to the power minus 2 volt. Reduction potential of silver is given. Now what is the reaction taking place at the anode? At the anode, the reaction taking place is copper changing into copper ion and it is losing 2 electrons. And the reaction at the cathode, silver ion is accepting 1 electron and changing into neutral silver atom. Now to make the number of electrons equal at both cathode and anode, multiply this whole equation by 2. So this becomes 2Ag plus 2 electron forming 2Ag. Now on adding the reaction at the cathode and anode, number of electrons get cancelled and the redox reaction that is taking place is copper plus 2Ag plus forming Cu2 plus 2Ag. This is the redox reaction taking place in this cell. Now E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT by NF log. Now concentration of the ions present in the solution. See, metallic silver and metallic copper, the concentration is taken as 1. So this becomes log of ions present in the product, that is Cu2 plus ion, concentration of Cu2 plus ions, and concentration of silver ions, and it will be raised to the power 2. What is 2? 2 is the stoichiometric coefficient of silver ion in the redox reaction. Now E cell is given in the question as 0.43 volts. E naught cell minus now 2.303 RT by F. This value is given in the question as 0.06 divided by N. N is the number of electrons. So number of electrons taking part in this redox reaction is 2. Log concentration of copper ions is given in the question as 0.001. This can also be written as 10 to the power minus 3. And silver ion concentration is 0.01 and it is raised to the power 2. So this becomes 10 to the power minus 2 raised to the power 2, which is equal to 10 to the power minus 4. So here it can be written as 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 10 to the power minus 4. Now log 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 10 to the power minus 4 is equal to log 10. This 10 to the power minus 4 goes to the numerator and this becomes log 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power 4. Now minus 3 plus 4 is 1, so this becomes log 10 to the power 1, which is equal to log 10, and log 10 value is 1. So this entire term becomes equal to 1. 0.06 divided by 2 will be 2 ones are 2 and this is 0.03. Solving this equation, E naught cell can be written as 0.43 plus 0.03, which is equal to 0.46 volt. And what is the value of E naught cell? E naught cell is E cathode minus E anode. What is the cathode here? Cathode is the silver electrode, and a reduction potential value for cathode is given as 0.80 volts. So E naught cathode minus E naught anode is equal to 0.46, and this is 0.80 minus E naught anode, anode is the copper electrode, is equal to 0.46. Solving E naught anode, that is reduction potential of copper electrode, will be equal to 0.80 minus 0.46, which is equal to 0.34 volt. 0.34 volt can also be written as 34 into 10 to the power minus 2 volt. So here in the fill in the blanks, it will be 34. So the reduction potential of copper is 34 into 10 to the power minus 2 volt.